Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Sampreet. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can able to go and create a table and uh, create an Iceberg table using AWS Glue. So there are various ways for you to go and create the Iceberg table within AWS. For instance, you can able to use Athena, you can able to use AWS Glue, and you can able to use EMR, etc. And then you're able to get the table created. This video, we are going to learn how you can able to use AWS Glue job to create the Iceberg table and have the data inserted into it. So let's get started. So this is very simple. So what you need to do is you will be going and creating the database. If you see here, I will have the create a database statement using the Spark SQL. You will be providing the data warehouse name and database name .db, and then with the property, right? Or thereafter, once you're done, you will be going and creating a table and load the data into an Iceberg form. Whereas the most important part when you will be going and working on creating an Iceberg table is passing the parameter. So how the Glue know you're looking to go and you're looking to create an Iceberg table, right? So for that, you have to go into the job property. You can able to go at going into the advanced job property. Thereafter, you will be going and defining various parameter. For instance, we will be providing the database name. Means again, this is not a critical parameter. This can be directly added as a part of the job. However, the most important part parameter you're looking to do is you're looking to have this warehouse path. This is the warehouse path. And the other parameter which you're looking to do is the config. This is where you will be providing all the different libraries which is being available for you to work with an Iceberg, right? So let me show you. There are multiple parameters available. For instance, you will be providing this Spark SQL extension. You will be providing the org Apache Iceberg Spark extension Iceberg. And thereafter you will be providing other parameter org Apache Iceberg Spark Spark catalog. Means this other parameter which is there. Thereafter you will be providing that catalog warehouse path. Thereafter you will be providing the catalog Glue data catalog, and then there are multiple parameters which is being available for you to go and provide that. I will add all this parameter there. Having said that, another thing which you're looking to do is you're looking to provide this data lake format. This way it will be aware, okay, it's looking to write as an Iceberg format, right? So that's what we're looking to this is what you're looking to provide, and thereafter these are the parameter as well, but this parameter is that can be passed that can be passed as a job parameter, or that can be added within the script as well, and same goes with the other parameter. But again, these are the important parameter. One is the configuration, other one is the warehouse path, and then definitely the data lake format which you're looking to provide as an Iceberg. So if you go here in this script, we will be kind of extracting the source data path, database name path, table name, and warehouse path. Once we're able to extract it, we are creating as in parameter source file path name, warehouse path, database name, and table name. Once done, we are going and creating the database. So this is where I will be providing the create the database name, simple SQL, and then I will be going and providing the Glue data catalog name, database name, and data warehouse path / db name .db. That's the location we are looking to see, and the extension will be .db, and then thereafter we will be providing the job parameters, right? A db parameter. Here, other thing which you're looking to do is once we able to go and create the database, now we are looking to go and create the table within the database, and then once we have the table, we will looking to go and write that asset as a Parquet. As an Iceberg table format or file, right? As an Parquet table, Iceberg table format. So this is our kind of a raw data look like. So when I go and look into the raw data, this is the data we are having. This dispatch ID. This is the New York field taxi data. So we are having this dispatching base number, pickup date, drop off date, and then PU location, TU location, and then affiliated base number. If you see here, this is how the pickup date is defined, this is how the drop-off date is defined, and then this is the column name of affiliated base number. So if I go back into the script, so what we do is we will be going and simply reading this file, of course. So this is the source file path which we have provided as a parameter, and now we are extracting that parameter here, right? Once we're done, we will be just converting this affiliated base number with some different column name. Thereafter we will be going and again here we will be changing the data type of this column SR flag, and if we're calling it string type, thereafter we will be going and adding the pickup zone, drop zone, file name, year, month column to the data frame. So we will be going to drop zone, thereafter we will be extracting the file name, like okay, and we are getting the file name as an input file name. Maybe that is yeah, so this is input file name which we are getting. Thereafter we will be going and providing the year. We will be extracting from the pickup date. We are getting the month. We will also extracting from the pickup date. Those are there. Thereafter we will be just kind of cleaning the column and making it uniform, just converting everything into the lowercase. Once done, we will be just adding the filter where the year between 2020 and 2023. Thereafter just we go ahead and create the glue data catalog, and then we will be using the data frame writer v2 API. So we will be going and creating the database. Here we will be just kind of starting with year and month. We will be writing as a glue database, glue data catalog. We will be providing the database name, table name. The format is table property is version 2, partition by year and month, and then we will be using the Iceberg, right? Once done, this is go and create it successfully. So it is as easy as it is. So I can share this script with you, so you can easily able to go and use the script and able to create it. But as I said, like the most important part is passing those parameters, primarily the warehouse path configuration path and warehouse path configurations and the data format. Okay, so let me go and run this script. I will be going and running the script. It will take a few minutes before it will be get done and the table got created for me. Still waiting for it to get started. Okay. I'll wait for it to complete. Hopefully it will get done soon. And also I will put the workshop link, so this way you can have a fair idea how this is being done, and you're easily able to go and copy all the script from the workshop itself. Took 1 minute 13 seconds. It's already done. We'll wait for it to get it done in few. Hopefully it will get done in few minutes. Cool. So this is done. So we are having the job got created. We'll go and look into the data catalog and see. So we have just created the database name. If you see here, this is the location. So we got the location. So let's first go and review the database first. So we are having the table. This is the table. Within the table, this is where my data is being stored, or other files is being stored. I will show you that later. And let's go and see the table definition. These are the table definition which is available within within that file, let me go and show you the location. So if we go and show you the location, this is our this is our database. Within the database we are having this table locations. Within that we are having the data and metadata. So within the metadata we are going to have a manifest file, manifest list, and a snapshot, of course. And thereafter we're going to have a data. Within the data we are going to have a year, and as I said, we have a partition by date, year, and a month. So this is how the partition look like for the data. Now we'll go back and perform some queries. So we can go into Athena and start run some query here. Launch. Let me quickly set this thing up. Maybe this one. Good. I will setting. Go ahead and run the. Okay. So this is our preview table. I will simply go ahead and see here we got the data. All right. Now if I have to go and perform some insert in the data, I will be simply going and running this script. Again, you can do this using the glue as well, but just for simplicity I'm just kind of able to showcase how you can able to go and perform or work with this table within the Athena itself, right? So I will be going and performing the insert into this data, right? So let me simply go and perform the insert. Okay, this is done. We will done inserting the data. I will be let me go and query the data where. Cool. So we see here we're able to go and see the data set, and once done, let me go and simply go and update the data set. So we will be going and looking to update this data here. Okay, this is the data set. We will be go and let me go and update the data set here. We will be changing this HVFSS license number. We will be updating with this one where we are having this B00447. We are just simply going and updating that with A00447. This is done. So now let's go and simply run the query and see. Good. Now we have, because we have updated, so we don't have to able to see any record. Now we will be going and running with this query, and we hopefully be able to see some records. Yeah, cool. See here I got the result here. I got the result. Now I will go and perform some delete. So I will be going and looking to delete this one altogether, performing the delete, and once done I should not be able to see any record for this deleted value, right? So cool, I'm not able to see any record for the deleted value. This is done. If I have to go back and perform some schema evaluation, maybe I can show you that part later, but yeah, hopefully you got an idea how this work, right? Okay, if you find this helpful, please do like, subscribe, and yeah, share this channel with your friends. Thank you very much.